Welcome back. Today, we have some exciting news. We are going to introduce you to a fantastic product that's perfect for keeping your work, office, and family schedules organized. The Skylight 15-inch digital calendar and daily planner. If you're tired of juggling multiple schedules and missing important tasks, this smart display might be just what you need. You can find the link to this amazing product in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Let's dive into what makes the Skylight Calendar so special. This is an all-in-one digital calendar and planner that connects to Wi-Fi, helping you keep everything organized in one place. With a 15-inch touchscreen display, it's large enough to view all your events, chores, and meal plans at a glance. One of the best features, you can sync it with your Google Calendar, iCloud, Outlook, and more. Setup is super quick. Just plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're ready to go. Plus, the Skylight Calendar allows you to assign each family member their own color and chores, making sure everyone stays on track. You can mount it on the wall or display it on its stand, so it fits perfectly in any room, whether it's your home office or the kitchen. The 15-inch HD touchscreen is not just functional, but also adds a modern touch to your space. The Skylight Calendar also features an interactive chore chart that makes daily tasks more engaging. And with the meal planning function, you'll never have to answer the question, "What's for dinner?" again. It's a great way to keep everyone informed and involved. Lastly, you can manage everything on the go with the Skylight mobile app. Add tasks, events, and chores from anywhere, making it easier to keep your schedule up to date. Well, if you're looking for a way to streamline your daily planning, the Skylight 15-inch digital calendar and daily planner is a must-have. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to get yours today. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more great content. See you in the next video.